Welcome to World of Web Development. In today's digital age, websites and web applications play a crucial role in how we communicate, learn, and interact with each other. Web development is the art of building and maintaining these online platforms, using programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. From e-commerce sites to social media platforms, web developers bring ideas to life, creating user-friendly and responsive experience for everyone. With a wide range of tools and technologies available, web development is a constantly evolving field, offering endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. So, are you ready to join the world of web development and shape the future of the internet? To learn more about web development, get the high-dev introduction into web development. Contact 0815-621-3617 for more details. Get started with our web development course, starting this 1st of May, 2024. Register now.